Hi everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be dancing to Blackpink, How You Like That. But this time I'm going to be the character of Rose. So let's get started.
I said that. Stay up. In your area. 보란 듯이 무너졌어. 바닥을 뚫고서 지어가지. 엊그제를 찾겠다고. Robot, like in the robot. Robot, I see come, equals it's up the sky. Robot, turn on the ball, I'll kiss you goodbye. See come, he was a gorgeous isn't what you have to say. How you like that? You don't like that. How you like that? How you like that? Look at you now, look at you now, look at you now, how you like that? Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. How you like that? You're the darling, yes, a honey. Look at me, make me mix. So you wanna come up with yes, I'm back at you. Fresh and up to the neck, what's up? I'm right back. I was ready, cut back. Plain drink, eat high tech, don't like me. It's a night like that, like that. The come on, Nikos and shine like the stars. Come here, so I'll kiss you goodbye. She got me close, I go to how you like that? Ooh, you don't like that. How you like that? Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. Look at you now, look at me. How you like that? Now you even said it to time. Hit the gym and I'm a good thing. Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Yeah. Bring out the carpet. Yeah. Blackpink, boom. How you like that? You know, how you like that? Please subscribe to that. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.